What is an atom made out of?
Great question. First, imagine the tiniest speck of matter so small that millions of them could sit on the tip of a pencil. Second, today we will explore what atoms are made of, how their parts fit together, and how scientists discovered their hidden structure. Third, stay with us because a memory trick at the end will help you remember atoms in a fun and simple way.
That makes me wonder, how does this actually help someone learning science?
Great, that curiosity is exactly how real scientists think. 1. Atoms help you understand everything because all matter in the universe is made from them. 2. Learning their parts makes chemistry easier since reactions, charges, and bonds depend on atomic behavior. 3. Knowing atoms prepares you for MCAT topics like molecules, energy levels, and periodic trends.
Okay, wait. If I could only remember one thing, what's the main idea I should remember?
That is an important question. Big outcomes always start with small causes. Step 1. Imagine an atom like a tiny solar system with a bright center and small particles moving around it. Step 2. The core truth is that atoms have a nucleus with protons and neutrons, and electrons moving in cloud-like zones outside. Step 3. Whenever you hear element, remember it means an atom type defined by its number of protons.
Alright, this part always helps me. Can you show me how this works step by step?
I love this part too. Let me walk you through it slowly, one clear step at a time so your brain can lock it in. Number 1. Protons and neutrons pack tightly in the nucleus, forming the strong center of the atom. Number 2. Electrons move around the nucleus in soft, shifting clouds where they gain or lose energy. Number 3. When atoms get close, their electrons interact and create bonds that form molecules like water and oxygen.
Oh, now my brain is picturing it in real world. Where do I actually see this in real life or medicine?
Yes, now you are thinking like a doctor. First, you meet atoms every time you drink water made from hydrogen and oxygen atoms joined together. Second, doctors rely on atoms when studying oxygen for breathing, sodium for nerve signaling, and calcium for bones. Third, understanding atoms helps you recognize patterns in nutrition, chemistry, and how the body uses elements to stay alive.
Okay, last thing. What's the quick trick to help me remember this forever?
Here is one simple trick that will help you remember this forever. Step 1. Imagine holding a tiny glowing planet with a bright core and tiny lights circling around it. Step 2. Picture each glowing light as an electron dancing gently in its own cloud zone. Step 3. Remember this wisdom: even the smallest pieces of the world carry big meaning, just like your small steps in learning create big discoveries. If this sparked curiosity, share a thought and join the Growth Lab journey. Learning grows stronger together. Brains remember better when tested. Watch the full episode and the quiz episode to lock it in.
See you in the next episode.